welcome back to our channel and hope you had a lovely Christmas. So today, me and my family cannot wait to open their gifts, guys. I'm really feeling sleepy, but Mrs. Claus is here. Popping Claus is gonna be giving the popping present, guys. Are you excited?
Yes!
Are you excited?
Yes!
I don't hear that. If I don't hear that yes, I'm not gonna unbox it. I'm not gonna share it.
Yes!
Michael, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
What kind of punishment is it?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
This is torture.
Are you ready?
This is torture.
You know
This is torture.
Okay, guys. So now Mrs. Claus is gonna be sharing the presents. First off, guys, I did coordinate the presents with colors, so I know who has which. The first one is gonna be Dapper. Dapper for your presents.
Repeat, come on.
What is that? What did you get?
He got like a fist with white. It's like a dragon. And I have to.
Is it too?
He has to drop it out of water, wait for a fist, when you decode it into a dragon.
Dapper, do you like it?
Yes.
Oh, it's like a dragon pussycat.
Yeah.
Dapper, do you like it?
It's not Pokemon.
Mommy.
Good boy.
No.
Good boy. Next one,
Michael.
Michael.
Throw it. Don't try it.
If I don't hear your take money very loud, I'm gonna take it
You got
back.
headphones.
Thank you, mommy.
You like it?
Yes, I've been needing headphones ever since someone here broke them.
Okay, cool. Next up is gonna be Balu.
Okay, what am I gonna get? Boomaka.
This Mrs. Claus is so nice, guys. Beautician Claus, she is
But Michael did not say
nice.
it like he really needs
Where
it.
is
It
it from?
is, because if not, I'll
What's
take
in
it
it?
back. Mrs. Claus is good. Mrs. Claus.
I got my blue. It's not nemesis.
Oh wow, do you like it?
Yeah.
It's not your play place,
Yeah.
okay?
It's not nemesis.
Oh wow. Okay. Mrs. Claus is giving nice presents, guys. Oh. Next up, I'm gonna do the kids for you. If I give the grandpa of the house his gifts. Let me start from that one. Dapsy. Dapsy boo boo.
Yeah, you got here. What's the happening? It's so bad.
I
Wow.
actually forgot that.
You
What
like
is that?
it?
Oh, what is happening? Yeah, there's a hey, cool. Thank you, mommy.
Okay. Next
Papa,
up.
you can take it out of.
Okay. Next up,
Woo.
Balu.
Free throw.
Oh, yeah. I got a Pokemon card drop out package.
You like it?
Yeah.
Everyone get it.
Thank you.
Good. Michael. Let's see.
That's massive.
Oh my God. This is.
I feel
Oh
like-
my
You
God.
can't-
Carry it, carry it.
headphone. There's no headphone. There's no headphone. I know what it is. There's no headphone. It's not a headphone.
Woo!
Mad. I told it. Shoes.
Try.
Let's see your
Thanks,
shoe.
mommy.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh wow. Let's see.
Spoiler. He really looks like the shoe.
Bacon axes.
Do you like
But it
it?
not look like you like it.
No, he had like.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you done? I can take it
I
back.
just
I
said
can go
yes.
and change it in the
Let's
shop.
take it back.
Yeah, you
And
can.
take money.
No, and change the color.
Why?
White color. Why? You use white. The white just spoiled within how many days? Why do you want another white?
I want no white. I just want a light color.
Blue.
No, that is light. It's not even black, isn't it?
I can put a blue color.
Okay. Do you like it or not?
I said yes. I said thank you.
I didn't hear it very well.
Thank you.
I'm supposed to be
Thank you,
jumping.
mommy.
Thank you,
That one is
mommy.
very important. It's not easy to be a mom.
Thank you, mommy.
Very important. And
I imagine when I was young, they buy me this. I'll be
Yes!
like sky off.
Daddy, she's taking all the
Balu.
Let her take it. I give it to her.
What did I get? Oh, I got the car. I got a car.
What kind of car is that?
It's open.
Let's see. Okay. Next up, Dapsy.
Yes. Mommy, are you trying to wake them?
Before she break the gate.
He got like a wristwatch, like a watch.
So that's a watch.
Yeah.
Is it a rich one?
Yeah.
Wait, that's a watch.
Yeah, it's a watch. Look at the kids.
It said Turbo Force.
You like it?
Turbo Force Race.
Can you
isn't it?
control the car with the watch?
Yeah. I think you can.
Oh, did it go car inside?
Yeah, look, you have a little car.
Wow,
That'd be lucky.
that is amazing.
I give good gifts, guys.
You mean daddy gives good gifts?
Okay, next up, let's just give up another one because this is so
Why?
long.
Why are you giving me
Because
so
it's long.
much?
Mommy!
Because this is long. Let's just see what else has got there. Because why is that
Oh, I
long?
got that.
Oh.
What is that?
Rip it. Shine, it's a mini gun.
Why am I so little?
At
Well,
your
I'm
age.
going to bring that. Give to Bolu.
That's mine.
Michael.
This is
Wow.
gigantic.
That is laser gun.
This is heavy.
Is it laser gun?
Yes.
No, Michael, do you think you're going to get that gun?
I have no idea. This is gigantic. What could be inside of this?
Enough gun.
What is your eye shot to see people's gift?
Oh!
Oh yeah. Forgot. I never saw that these came.
Oh, this is your football
Is
training.
Yeah.
this all of it together?
I think so. They're supposed there.
Thank you, mommy.
Louder.
Thank you.
Louder.
Thank you, mommy.
Good. Good. Yes.
It's supposed to be small then.
Bolu Baba.
It's small then.
I think so, yeah.
What's this?
We need to
What?
get professional.
I got headphones.
Yes, Bolu. Bolu Baba.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Show me the headphones.
Thank you,
Show me
mommy.
the headphones.
But are you going to share your earphone with
Turn
Dapo?
around, turn around. Chop.
Are you going to share your earphone with Dapo?
Maybe.
Babsy.
But this one has to transform. Oh.
Bolu, you want to know everybody's gift.
Just know everything.
Why do you just want to know everybody's gift? What's that? Oh.
That is a robot. The right robot transformer thing.
You like it? So let's do that for one.
That's for everyone.
That's chicken.
Yeah.
Woo!
Told you.
Everybody can share that.
That's for the blades. Come
Yeah.
on.
So now,
I got to see you.
one of these, everybody can share. Okay?
Yeah.
I mean
Wait, I got big
that was
something.
actually wait.
Oh, did it come blade inside it?
I
Yeah,
got baby.
Oh,
Oh, that is okay. Got Dapo's blade on it.
it's the stadium.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I told you how to feel.
Okay, that the stadium is made for is Dapo be our home then every time.
With Bolu.
Yeah.
And after me, then after that.
Yeah, I know what this is.
You know everything. Just open
It's
the
a Harry
thing.
Potter glass.
This guy just knows everything. Just open the thing.
Bolu have been looking at us.
Just
Bolu
stab
have
in
been
his eyes.
nosy. He has been nosy. Look at my gift.
Then what the Harry Potter glass do? Do you
put
know?
water.
It's change colour. If you put hot water,
Easy.
if you put normal water, it turns grey. And if you
Basically,
put cold,
yeah,
Easy.
want me to tell you what it does? It's basically you scare people and make them act like you gave them poison.
Easy.
Yes. Try and poison people with orange water.
Easy.
Yes.
yeah.
Wow. Why does it change color? That's crazy.
Become
Because Harry Potter now isn't it? It's like a magic.
Okay. Michael.
I hope this is a big eight. Not big eight.
Yep, it is.
What's the eight? Tackle.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now we have two gifts here, and they all have the two gifts have name. The last but not the least, because mommy and daddy get their gifts last, and mommy and daddy have only got
Wait,
one
can
gift.
we open up yours?
I don't
Come
know.
here.
You know what? This is my gift because I wrapped this one. Daddy
Yes.
sneakily
So I'm giving
wrapped
it to
this
you.
one. This is my gift.
Yeah, I'm giving it
This
to
is
you.
daddy's gift. Okay. This is what I bought this for daddy, but daddy sneakily kept this one last night. Sneaky daddy.
So that one's for you.
Sneaky because I didn't wrap it. That's why I know it's for me.
Got it. I will pay.
Okay, give daddy's one.
No, I'm giving it.
Don't open it. Let me open my gift. It's my gift. It's my gift. This is my special gift.
You don't even know what to get.
What?
I'm panicking. Panicking. Why do you wrap it like this? Why? Why?
These things come in long wrap.
Wow! That Daniel.
Yes, have you seen that before in your life?
No, really.
Your whole life.
No, really. Take Daniel. I don't know. See,
Because you drink everything.
this
And then
is
try-
guys.
Guys,
This is the best gift ever.
guys, because he loves it, I went and bought him a special one. Because he doesn't buy this
It's
first
a
one.
single
Because
buyer.
he's not posh. You're not posh.
That is the one that I normally drink. Poor man one. This is man one.
I bought you posh one.
Oh, this is so great.
This is the only thing I can buy that will make you happy.
Thank you.
Because-
All those perfume you buy every time you buy wash. This one is better than all those things. It's better than all these shoes.
But it's not gonna last, remember?
Yeah, it's better.
It's not gonna last.
I might not drink it in next year Christmas.
You will save it.
I'll drink it.
No.
Then any of my friend that is looking at this that you want to come and drink, no, I'm not giving anybody.
Okay, Dako, present my own. Let's see what's my one.
Okay, sweetheart.
Dako is little claws.
How can you be a girl?
Little what? No, you're not. Let's see.
What's that?
Girl, read your Bible.
You need to know your Bible fact.
Why Bible?
Go and revise the word of
I
God.
have Bible.
Revise
So
the
why
word of God.
Bible? Why did you buy me Bible? I have Bible.
Life, love, money, life indeed. Everything you hope for, life in it. There is life in it. Why can't you just open your Bible? Why can't you just open your Bible? Read your Bible.
Where's he, Daddy?
Stop taking it down below.
But I never did that. Oh, that ball. Daddy.
Oh my God! There's something in my Bible, guys. There's something in my Bible.
Daddy.
What?
Okay, guys. Oh my God. Ooh, I have a check. Oh my God. Oh, Michael, guess how much is my check?
£1.50.
Oh my God. Wow, guys, I got £5,000.
5,000.
Yes, see.
Daddy.
Thank you.
Are you not going to stand up?
Why?
You cannot stand up and give me a hug.
Daddy, can you open this on camera? Like, open it.
I was saying that you can't just get me Bible just like that.
Joe, I just want you to read your Bible.
Okay.
That way, when give you Bible, you read it, you appreciate the Bible. That's what the
For
Bible.
reading.
You appreciate the Bible.
Oh my God, I love my gifts. Why money though?
Then that is the thing. We are so busy that I can't go out to get Chichi gift. Then that's why I just like, because we have been working so hard, I just have to find a way to make her put a little bit of a smile on her face, which is, I noticed she'd not like the money that much, but then every time I bought her things so many, lots of times she always complained. You can't not know how to satisfy a woman, it's so difficult.
Because always buying the clothes I did not like, or the shoe I did not want, or the bag I did
What
not
about the
want.
wash?
They're nice, but sometimes I'm like,
What about the Versace glasses that you wear every day, but the first day you complain?
I'm not about that life.
You are not about that life. What about the mosquito bag? What about everything? You complain. Then what point of?
Sometimes I don't like the style. It's the style.
Then what is the point of buying things when you don't like the
Okay,
style?
I love my gift. I love my money.
Then what are you going to use your money
Money
to
is
buy?
gold. It's fine. Let me have money. Money. Next time, give me money. It's better. I think I love this kind of gift. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Michael, what do you think about your gift? Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, so yes, let's sign
Papa, what
up.
do you like most?
What do you like most?
Everything. All the things.
Everything.
All of them. Oh my God, that's give me 5.
What about
Bolu,
Bolu?
what do you like most?
Headphone.
Okay, give me 5. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bolu,
Merry Christmas,
I order
Papa.
your piano,
That's all. Merry
but the
Christmas.
piano
Give
did
me
not
hand.
come.
Merry Christmas, Michael. Yeah, next year I'll make sure I buy you. What do I buy you? Next year is your birthday, 13th birthday. Michael wants to do teen. This is his first year of being a teenager.
You want to do a team birthday?
Yeah, 13.
Yeah, you think
Not
every
easy to
day?
be a
Is
teen.
that not what 13th birthday party is
Yeah.
about?
Yeah, you see,
Yeah.
every year is Christmas, Abi.
Let him do. It's not
Every year
like
is
champagne.
Christmas.
Alright guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, see you guys, bye.